In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to videos in Hailuo AI. We're going to take two still images and turn them into a smooth AI-generated video by setting a start frame, an end frame, and a simple text prompt that guides the motion and style. First, open your browser and go to Hailuo AI Video. This works best on a desktop browser with a stable internet connection. Before you begin, it helps to have your two images ready on your computer. For the cleanest results, use high-resolution JPG or PNG files and try to keep both images the same aspect ratio so you don't get unexpected cropping. On the home page, click Create Video. This opens the workspace where you'll set everything up. You'll see options for the start frame, the end frame, a prompt box, and a button to generate your video. Think of the start and end frames as your video's opening and closing shots. Click Start Frame. This is the image your video will begin with. Then click Open and choose the file from your device. Pick an image that's sharp, well lit, and frame the way you want the first moment of the video to look. If your subject is a person or product, center it clearly so the AI has a strong anchor. Next, click End Frame. Then click Open and choose the second image. This is where the video should land. For a smoother transformation, try to match the subject size, angle, and aspect ratio between the two images. Small differences are fine. AI can interpolate a lot, but big shifts can create jarring transitions. Now type in the prompt. Keep it clear and concise, describing how you want the motion to feel. For example, smooth cinematic morph from start to end, gentle camera push-in, natural lighting, realistic detail gives helpful direction without overloading the model. You can mention pacing, style, mood, or camera movement, but avoid long, conflicting instructions. If you want a calmer result, use words like subtle, gentle, or slow. For more energy, try dynamic or fast. When you're ready, click Create. Hailuo AI will upload your frames and start rendering the transition based on your prompt. Processing time varies with image size and server load, so give it a moment. Once it finishes, preview the result. If the motion feels too fast or too busy, refine your prompt with clearer guidance or swap in images with more consistent framing, then create again. A little iteration goes a long way. That's it. Two images, one prompt, and a clean AI-generated video from Hailuo AI.